we think that there's some sort of magical solution or pathway, and that's part of what my book is doing, is saying really there isn't. I think these are things that that we discover along the way, and it's part of our life journey, part of being human. I mean, certainly some people, come out of the gate knowing what their purpose and calling is, and they follow that, and there's no deviation. But many of us sort of we just pursue one thing after another, go through the doors that are open, pursue our passions, all of these things. And along the way, we discover our calling, which again comes from outside. And in fulfilling that calling, I think we can discover our purpose. But I don't, and oftentimes, and I've seen this in with people I know in my own life, we look back and realize that something that we were doing all along, or something, the way that we were engaged in our work or our families, that was our calling. And so there's no formula. It's something that we can stumble along, and discover along the way, or some people can just go right into it. But part of what I'm trying to do is ease some of the pressure, because it is a journey and it is discovery. In the same way that we discover who we are, we also discover what we're called to and what our purpose is.